Hey Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool right here, and basically what these are some paring knives. If you see the one that we got right here is from this brand, and for the one that we got right here, it comes with 4 different types of paring knives. And I love the fact that how each one of these are actually color coded so that way you know which is which. If you see inside right here, they do label what each one is. So there's like a 2-inch peeling knife, 3-inch vegetable knife, 3.5-inch paring knife, and it's a 5-inch serrated utility knife. And if you guys turn to the back, they do probably got some specs and features that's for the product. So they mention how they use high quality stainless steel blades, and the way how they design the product is break proof, and it's safe for you to use a dishwasher to wash as well. But what I do recommend, because the product is stainless steel, you guys want to make sure you wipe it clean when you guys finish washing it, so that way it doesn't rust over time. But here's basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open it up and show you guys what the product looks like, and then we'll test it out. So obviously when you guys open it, you do want to be careful since it is a sharp knife. So what I recommend is that you probably want to open it from the bottom. Alright, so here is the first one. So this one right here is the 2-inch peeling knife. Next up right here we have the 3-inch vegetable knife. Next one that we got right here is a 3.5-inch paring knife. And last but not least, we do have the 5-inch utility knife. So you see the way how they design each one of these definitely looks pretty nice. But let's test it out to see how sharp the product is. So let's test right here. That is the 5-inch one. So when you guys cut cardboard, it's not that good because like I mentioned, the way how they design this knife is for different stuff, whether it's for like peeling stuff, for vegetable, and etc. So for example right here, I do have a piece of paper. If you guys cut through it, you can definitely see how sharp the knife is. But let's test out this one as well. If you guys cut through it, you can definitely see how well the knife works. So once you guys take all of them out, here is basically what the product looks like. So now that we did a quick unboxing and test the product, now the end question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys in the market looking for some high quality knives, such as like paring knife, utility knife, and etc. Then I definitely have to say that this set is actually pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.